everybody, welcome to the Arkansas Weather Blog. We are your ticket to big weather events, and let me tell you something. I have got a lot to talk about here. Recording this right around 10 o'clock Sunday, December the 3rd. This is weather whiplash this week. We've got rain, storms, cold air, and yes, as we have told you first right here on the Arkansas Weather Blog, there could be some flakage by the end of the week for some. And as I've been telling you as well, this is not something to panic over, but it's just one of those, what? Huh? One of those, wait, wasn't it just, wait, it's what? It's doing what out there? This is going to get your attention this week. And the cold that's coming, again, is not some sort of extreme cold that we've never had before. This is what we get in December sometimes. We get cold air. It's a shock because we're near 70 degrees. And early last week, I told you that this Monday, Sunday, Monday, that there's that possibility for temperatures to get up towards 70, not break records, but get within records. Now, again, when you have a collision in air masses, when you have the very warm and increasingly moist air colliding with the cold air coming in from the north, the atmosphere gets a little chippy. That's what's going to happen. There's actually a chance that a thunderstorm or two could be strong. Or maybe even severe. It's borderline, mainly for northwest Arkansas. This from weatherbell.com. Again, I've got a lot of data to go over, a lot of important data to talk about, and also I'm going to talk about the contest for the Arkansas Weather Blog in just a little bit as well. So you stay tuned for that. You don't want to miss it. Anyway, so this is tomorrow, according to the new 3-kilometer NAM. This is displayed from weatherbell.com, but you see storms in northwest Arkansas developing an area of rain at 5 p.m. Now, there will be some showers during the day, but the best chance you see this line coming across, this is the timing, and it's going to vary, but the timing at 10 p.m., 11, midnight Tuesday, and see how it's out of here. But this is redeveloping some showers in the cold air. This is on Tuesday morning. And let me just show you that this is at 9 a.m., and these are the temperatures. So you have 30s north, maybe a sleet pellet up here if that does materialize, 40s. But let me just look at the sharp contrast. First of all, this is Monday afternoon. This is Monday at 6. Watch the cold air coming in. So you have that collision in air masses. And as I tell you, the atmosphere gets a little bit chippy. So let me get you. Okay, so this is what the Storm Prediction Center has. This area in green, very low chance for a strong to severe thunderstorm Monday afternoon and evening in that area of the state. So a possible wind gust that could be strong to severe, and that's something to watch. Now, we need rainfall. Much needed rainfall is on the way, 1/2 to maybe 1 inch. Don't get too excited about this. Rainfall amounts between the various computer models. The GFS has been increasing the amounts of rain. The Euro has been steady right around 7/10 of an inch. The GFS, 4/10 of an inch. Pie in the sky, possibly from the NAM, 1.5 inches seems maybe a little bit overdone. Then the cold air gets in. Let's talk about the snow flurries. What happens many times, we're going to have a very strong northerly wind flow aloft. There's going to be a potent disturbance, a potent system coming out of that northerly wind flow. This is not how we get significant snow in Arkansas by any stretch of the imagination. But this is late Thursday and into early Friday. You see the clock there at 8 a.m. Friday. So they're moisture starved, but they can produce flurries. They can produce snow showers. And yesterday, if you're watching the news, the area was down here in central Arkansas, and I said, no, I don't believe that. Most of the model runs have been back towards the north, and that's where the newest one is, back towards the north. So I would say in this section of the state, right in here, just like that, that's your best chance for seeing some snow flurries or snow showers. Don't run out to the grocery store. No milk and bread needed. It's just going to, again, weather whiplash. It's going to be one of those things that makes you, huh? Saturday morning wind chills. Again, nothing extreme, but again, a shock to the system. Wind chills in the 20s, and I wouldn't doubt if we saw some teens showing up. So, again, a lot going on with the weather this week, and it's something we have been tracking and telling you about for a long time now on the Arkansas Weather Blog, that we would have the cold air coming at the beginning of December. That looked like that pattern change was going to happen. Now, right now, what I foresee, let me just, in summary, then I'm going to get to the contest in just a second and tell you to stay tuned, basically. But anyway, rain and thunderstorms, some strong, not expecting an outbreak. Turn to cold air, And then by late Thursday and Friday, that little clipper system comes out of the north. And then I think next weekend is going to be cold to begin, and then moderate. Temperatures may actually come up, and then another big blast of Arctic air after that. So this is going to be a colder weather pattern where we're going to get bouts of cold air coming in, and there could be a day or two mixed in with some mild air. Now, as I've been promising you, I have been gathering the prizes for this year's Arkansas Weather Blog contests at ktv.com. I have got, and I cannot wait to tell you about this, some wonderful people to thank that have been helping me put all this together. And I think you're going to like it, to say the least. So look for that within the next week, week and a half. Hopefully. There are no guarantees, but that's the time frame I'm aiming for to get this going. It has been a long process organizing it. But you know how you get into those situations where you think you bit off more than you can chew. It's just like, this sounds good. I can do this. I can do that, and then you get into do it and you're like, what was I thinking? That's it. But you know what? In the end, it's going to be worth it. For you, you're going to like it. Thank you very much for coming to the Arkansas Weather Blog. We are your ticket to big weather events.